Hi everyone, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. In this video, I am going to discuss these Forex structures. Plus, I will be discussing how do I take a trade. For example, let's say if I have a planning that I'm going to take a trade on dollar CAD. Let's say this is just an example. Let's say I'm going to take a sell at 61.8. When the price reaches here, how I'm going to take that trade. So in this video, it will be part of it. Plus also I will be trying to analyze dollar CAD, a little bit of it, not too deep because I have discussed in the previous videos in detail. But obviously, my main concern and main topic for the day is to show you how actually I take a trade when price is moving in my favor and when it reaches at my reversal zone. Like obviously in reality when you trade it is not that easy. You have to take care about most of the things, right? Even you can like set a pending order, but if you are a day trader then obviously you will need to go through these things. So yes, another disclaimer I should say it will be is that this video is going to be super beneficial for the day traders because obviously the long term traders they use pending orders. When price reaches there, the pending order executed and come back down. So let's say in this particular case it is showing me a bearish rally towards 1.34617, right? So if I'm going to trade this one, how will I trade it? Let's see that today, because obviously most of my beginner forex traders brothers, they have problems identifying that how to actually take a trade. The system and the rules and the techniques and the checkpoint list might be a bit lengthy because it will requires technical tools that we use to generate and predict the future. So obviously I will need your attention to stay focused on the analysis and on the technique that I'm going to start in a moment. So let's delete everything. That 1 hour H1, if you can see, I just gave it as an example. I will be running my fresh analysis first of all, so that all of the previous learnings that we had, we should recall them time to time, and that also help us reading the previous structures, right? So reading the previous structures not just only gives us back data, and the back data tells us whether the bulls are strong or the bears are strong, and then what happened and what was the overall story. So right now I am on the weekly time frame, and on the weekly time frame, if you can see, for now I can say that it is in a sort of triangle, right? See, and with the passage of time, with every new candle, the triangle is getting shorter and shorter, and ultimately a point will come that it will explode to either to the top side or to the bottom side. And I can also title it as a range, right? See, no doubt it is sort of like a bullish trend, but if we include these wicks, it is a very nice range right here. Now I just quickly need to fix my S pen right here so that I can write on the screen. Just give me one moment and I will be right back. So on a weekly time frame, this is sort of like a triangle and also some Fibonacci numbers right here, sort of triple retest of this support plus a double top. And let's have a look at the RSI. On the RSI, the reading shows a clear divergence. So this divergence, now most of you have problems understanding the divergence concept with the double top. If you see right here, market stopped, then a pattern. When it came back right here, what happened is, what happened? Market started to go down again. So this is a top. Right here, check out for the RSI, it was above. Right here, check out the RSI, it was below, which means the RSI is showing a down move, right? A nice down move. While the price action still suggests that, okay, it is something like this price, like two indicators going on. This is price. It remains at the same level, but the RSI this time went up. Then this time it was like this. So this is a very nice divergence. And this is the weekly time frame, obviously. So now move to the daily and let's find out what's going on right here. First of all, a clear range, as I have told you. But obviously, during like inside ranges, what happens is we also get impulsive waves. Isn't it an impulsive wave? Just have a look at it. In my previous video, you can find the link in the iCard above. I have told you that an impulsive leg is only valid once we get RSI overbought and RSI oversold levels. And just have a look at it. Very, very simple. This impulsive leg is valid. Why? Why it is valid? Because it has an overbought condition and oversold conditions as well. See, a clear indication for these bulls, all of those who are trying to take buy trades right here on the basis of this support or bottom, you can say this support right here. These bulls, this was a very, very strong evidence for them. Why? Let me show you. This is a strong evidence for these bulls. This strong evidence for these bulls, these bears, sorry, and these bulls, that market is going to retrace back up 61.8% retracement. And this is something that I have also discussed on other pairs in the previous video on the pound dollar and pound yen. Something like this pattern is going to form. So now let's say I'm going to take a trade on the daily time frame. Obviously, I can wait another one day to see how this area performs. This is my, like, it can be my future planning. But before that, I have to study that what the market actually did when it was trading right here in the past, right? In the past, it was consolidating and keep rejecting from this level. keep rejecting from the level. And obviously this level has a strong breakout of 274 pips as well. So this 61.8% retracement, yes, is going to be a very nice and perfect trading opportunity to trade. Now the H4, and let's see what it's telling us is, on the H1, obviously if a double top, then a clear sell to the bottom side. Here I will mention one more thing, and that is, if you are trading dollar CAD in correlation with the other pairs like the gold dollar or dollar yen, this trade may go a bit negative for some time, because it's obviously a long-term trade. Now the short-term trade, and the thing that I was going to discuss was, if let's say if I wanted to trade, or if I want to trade this particular zone, how am I going to trade it, and what will be the criteria? And then I will be showing you the past data. Market is coming down, it's okay. I have a prediction that if it go to 61.8% retracement, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a sell trade. And let's say I want to be a bit more precise about my entry. I want to take precise entries. So what I need to do for that is, obviously I can wait for a double top up there. Let's see that on the H4. If I have FOMO, then a sell near 1.36134, around 111 pips of stop loss, and the take profit will be 196 pips. Now this is according to the Fibonacci, but we also cannot deny the fact that this pattern also has not yet completed. See, so seems like the bulls are not leaving their game for another 340 pips. If we get that double top on the H4, then I can have some hopes. Let's delete these things. Then I will have some hopes that okay, price can hit 1.34373, and from here a buy trade will be advised. Otherwise, if I get a close above this zone, then I will have an opportunity to trade it towards 1.40 approximately, and the pip value will be 288 pips. So when it reaches here and makes this double top, what I'm going to look for is, I will look for divergence, and then I will take a sell trade. Now let's go back a little bit into the past, and let me give you some examples. Here you see a nice impulsive wave, another nice shorter impulsive wave. Even this was a break of this, just like we have seen that on right here. So this one, where was that? Seems like I have lost that area. Okay, here it is. An impulsive wave, and obviously the completion, and an exact drop. But before that, market already gave this evidence of a double top. Right here, check out for the RSI. Right here, check out for the RSI. And this is the same pattern a very exact same pattern that I just discussed. A double top, a highest RSI reading and lowest RSI reading connect the lines, divergence. And from this divergence, who took full benefits with guaranteed profits were these bulls. Remember, these bulls took full advantage of this divergence. They knew that market is going to drop from there till here, and then we will attack the market. Why attack the market? Because we have a pending ABCD pattern there and approximately a 61.8% retracement zone. Approximately. See, 61.8. So something similar is also expected right here. Let's see what we get tomorrow. And this analysis will be valid till Friday this week, 5th May 2023. So I hope it will be super beneficial for you. Leave your feedback in the comment section down below. I will see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.